Psych! That's the wrong number!
Background hero.
I broke up with my ex-girl. Here's the number. Psych! That's the wrong number!
Background hero.
The prince of a town called Bel Air.
I broke up with my ex-girl. 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 Here's the number. Psych! That's the wrong number!
Champagne glass? Is this what the people of Bel Air living like? This might be alright. I whistled for a cab, and when it came near, the license plate said fresh and it a dice in the mirror. If anything, I can say that this cab was rare, but I thought, man, Bel Air.
I broke up with my ex-girl. Here's the number. Psych! That's the wrong number! I broke up with my ex-girl. 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 Here's the number. Psych! That's the wrong number!